Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to configure sophos firewall. It is the basic setup. Like I will configure LAN and also configure WAN so your stuff can be accessed to the internet. Okay, so first, when you log into your sophos firewall, you go to network, and the first thing that you need to do, you need to configure your WAN. So you go to network, you go to interface, and then you go to your WAN port. Okay, this one the port that you connect or get from your ISP. This one I have configured. Now let's go. Okay, I believe that this one you can put any, you can put uh, ISP WAN, okay, or you can leave it default like that, no problem. And then what you need to do here, you need to choose WAN, okay. And I believe that most of you get the static IP. So when you get static IP, you go here, okay. You go to static, you put the IP address that you get from your ISP and its subnet mask. And then this one, any name, you can put WAN gateway, okay. And you also required to put the gateway IP. This one, the gateway IP that you get from your ISP. Okay. And after that, okay, this one we left it default and then you save it. But for me, I get my dynamic IP, so I choose this one. Okay. Okay, so after you already configure your WAN interface, another thing that you need to do is you go to your DNS. Okay, when you receive the DNS from your ISP, you have to put here, okay. You click on static DNS, okay. For those who get the PPOE, okay, you can also click, and for those who get the dynamic, you can also click here. But most of you, I believe that you will get the static DNS. So this one you must input the IP DNS that you receive from your ISP, okay. And after that you just click apply. Okay, so for this, after you already configure, okay, I back to interface again. Okay, so for the WAN configuration is okay, and you also go to WAN link, this one, okay. This one you need to put the gateway. In fact, you get when we configure the WAN interface, you are also required to put your gateway here. Okay, I will, let's say I put gateway IP. Okay, and here's the IP address of your ISP. You can put, okay, and then here's the port. This one, in fact, it get from the interface that we have been set. Okay, so no worry, but for you, you have to configure this, or you have to check this. I'm sorry, you need to check this as well, whether it's active or not. Let me get here. This one, when the status is up, it green, means that your gateway is working. Okay, so after you already configure the WAN, now you need to configure the WAN A1. I go to the interface again, and here is the WAN port. There are many LAN port of my sophos. So here I will go to my port C. Okay, this is the LAN port that I want my stuff, or I need to connect to my Cisco speed or TP-Link speed or Huawei speed. This one you need to put LAN. Okay, I can put name like stuff or LAN stuff. Okay, or LAN. Okay, LAN stuff, no problem. LAN stuff, LAN stuff 10, for example. Okay, and then you need to put your LAN. This one, net zone LAN and static IP. This one you are required to provide the dhcp for your staff to access your server or to access the internet. I will put like 30. Okay, Okay, class 0. Here is the network mask everyone. So for this one, make sure that this one is LAN IP. Okay. 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 Class 1. Okay. This one for the gateway of that. Okay, just wait. Here's the IP for your LAN everyone. Okay, you just wait a bit because this one based on the performance of your firewall and also the performance of your internet. So it can take time. Okay, you can see the operation will take time to complete. Just wait. You can also move faster this if you think it take time. You can move the faster everyone. Okay, you see now my staff LAN already have with this IP address, and then you go to the HCP. We need to give the DHCP server to our client. I click add. I will put staff LAN. Okay, staff LAN 10. And in the first, you need to choose here LAN staff 10. Okay, and then I need to allow my client to access my IP. I will from 100, 10, 10, 30 to 45. Okay. Okay. Domain name I left it full. Gateway. Okay. Here is its gateway. Okay. Primary DNS here. Okay. I can put the DNS that I get from my ISP and also the internet. If you have server, you can also put the DNS of your server. So, okay. So now this client, our client can access to this IP address. Now let's see. I go to my client. Okay, here's my client that I connect to this Cisco or this sophos firewall. IP config slash all. IP config slash release. IP config slash renew. Okay. I want to check whether this client get this IP address or not. IP. Okay, you see. Or I will put IP config slash all. So this client get the IP address of this. Okay. 1010 30 100. Okay, but the client cannot access the internet everyone, so we need to do another thing. We need to add rule and policy. Okay, so here is the default from the sophos. You can also create here. So I go to add firewall rule, new firewall. Okay, I will put internet, or we can say put stuff to internet. Okay, stuff internet. Okay, this one I will put top, and this one you want it to be none, or you want to be in traffic to WAN or to DMZ. So to BSC I will put to traffic to WAN. Okay, I will do this group. Okay, source. Okay, you need to allow your LAN to access the internet, and this one you can also leave it any, but I want to specify, I remove it. I put the rank, the IP, or sorry, the network. Okay, I will put my IP network. I will put staff LAN, any name I want, staff LAN. IP4 in network, I will put my LAN IP, then network 0. Okay, this one is your LAN. Okay, oh, it's wrong. It should be here. And network, staff LAN, network, and 30, 0. Okay, already exists. It should be the name, staff LAN 10. Okay, so LAN source is my staff LAN 10, this one, and destination to WAN, and for the destination network I put any. Okay, service and also put any, but remember you must click this one, A1, create link NAT rule. Okay, here you need to change to ASU. This one is similar to masquerade, ASU. Okay, okay, so okay, you can see again source LAN, staff LAN, destination WAN, destination network, any. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so now the firewall rule has been created. Okay, where is it? It should be in the traffic WAN here. Okay, so now I go to my client again. Okay, I will put ipconfig plus release ipconfig plus renew. Okay, wait once. Here, just wait a bit. Ipconfig plus release. New again. Okay, this can be take some time. Okay, as I said, it can be because of the performance. Okay, it's about to go, but just wait. Google. Okay, you see now our client can be access the internet. This one it has okay, it's just up. You see, okay, it can take times. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.